My name's Ryan from CloudNC. I am the engineering manager. I started off about 14 years ago. Typical 4-year apprenticeship, doing everything, starting off sweeping floors, deburring, filing, ended up doing some programming. So that was my first taster. I then went over to a local motorsport team who were competing in Le Mans 24 Hour. They gave me the opportunity to really progress that. By the end of it, I was doing some complex 5-axis work, electrical motors, motorsport, interesting stuff. Then I came over to CloudNC. I've been here 6 years. I started off as production engineer about 6 months ago, became engineering manager. So I'm now kind of leading the integration of Siemens NX, which we're now using in the factory, and CAMAssist, which we are now using in Siemens NX. I'm going to give a quick little demo of kind of what's included in normal CAM programming, how detailed it can be. Then I'm going to go to CAMAssist and show how quick I can generate a program through CAMAssist, which means I can get it onto the machine a hell of a lot quicker. Let's start with some roughing. I have got everything here set up like you can see. I've got my work holding, I've got my billet, and I've got my part. Datums are all set, ready to go. So create operation. I am going to go straight into some contour milling. So as you can see, there's a load of different options. There is endless. So I'm going to go this adaptive roughing, pretty standard. I'm going to go choose my tool. Let's go with that. So 10mm, pretty standard again. Click into that. As you can see, there are a load of options here. There's the main ones, and then you can go to real detail. I'm going to go through, I'm going to say, I want to do some roughing, selecting my feeds and speeds. I'm going to keep it nice and simple for this. Right, I want it to look at the stock. It's already got the part. I want to leave on 0.3mm. I'm ready to go. Let's chuck a path down. With manual programming, again, you can program like this and you go, oh, wait, I need to go back. Here, I want to make sure the tool steps up, so least material left on that on that bore. Let's go with that. Small little adjustment, away we go again. Let that calculate. Again, it's doing a little bit more work, so a little bit more calculation. So, roughing. Let's quickly just chuck down another path here. So we're going to go insert program. Let's do some finishing. So let's go with this finishing. Let's quickly put a facing path down, first one. So let's go over to CAMAssist. As you can hear, it's just a little icon up here. Our own UI will pop up. This UI is exactly the same no matter what software you are on, which is really, really handy. So initially loads up. Go to prepare. It's your next phase. So I'm going to say, you know what, I only want to come down on this op first of all, because I only want to do this area of the part. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to hold it in soft jaws for the next operation. As you can see, literally a minute, not even that, into it, and I'm already generating my program. Here it's analyzing it. It's going to tell me what is finished, what is not finished, etc. And then you can go into more detail if you really want to. Straight away, it's coming up, right? I've finished these areas, I've unfinished areas, and it's, there you go. Finished the part. It obviously can't get underneath because I've said I only want to machine one direction in the programming, so it's still calculating at the moment, but we can start having a look, saving a bit of time. Why wait? So it's facing that, it's then going into flat finishing, wall finishing. You can go in and you can change bits, you can change your tool, you can change whatever, but it gives you that preview. You can make these changes before it gets into the CAM system. I'm pretty happy with all of that. Send a CAM package. Now, it's currently going to send it all over. I've still got my old one there, but it's going to create a new one. So by the time I've created my roughing path, I've created my finishing path, I've been able to go into CAMAssist, I've been able to generate a whole Op1 program. I can go make a cup of tea, and by the time I get back, I've got an Op1 program ready to go. I can then go and quickly simulate that, post-process it, chuck on the machine, and I'm on to my Op2. And then, yeah, in a couple of minutes, I've generated 22 operations and the program is complete. So, as you can quickly see, from the 2 paths, which I've calculated or managed to do in a couple of minutes, it has generated all of these. That is my Op1 program. So as you can see, I'm going to quickly look through. Facing seems pretty good. Roughing through the part, it's doing everything pretty well. Flat finishing, no problem. Wall finishing. I mean, I can go into more detail, but for this demo, it looks exactly what I would meant to. So yeah, there is your Op1 program. Now, all we've got to do is post-process it, chuck on the machine.